explain this a little bit for you. The cows broke the fence in 2 places, one of which was not repairable. So I decided to just metaphorically take the bull by the horns, teach myself to run the skid steer, and get this project done so I could redo proper fences. You can say I just chipped away for several hours on the first day. It was a deep mess, and I'd never really run the skid steer much before. I kind of just practiced and made little lumps everywhere and did pretty good for my first day. I still had a lot to do, but I felt like progress was happening. Then once things had a chance to dry, I still had a mess to work with. So back at it I go. I'm actually really proud of myself. I kind of leveled it out and pulled out all that yuck. And yeah, doesn't look too bad. Back there, washouts were that filled in. And then this is where my son dug out some dirt. Not filled it in, but see, it holds water. But I got it close. Someday I would love to just open all this up to have more pasture area like it used to be years ago. Yep, day 3, here I am at it again. Kind of figuring this whole thing out. Back and forth, back and forth. It's not done yet, but I feel like I've made huge progress. Actually, by the end of this particular day, I did get that hay ring moved, and I just have a mass that needs to dry. But we are getting rain today, so next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Sure appreciate you coming along on my journey with me. Like, subscribe, and share. I'd love to show everyone all the crazy things I do here on the farm. Have a good week. Bye-bye.